abusia me mama jo e mama chen e mama ha baby amu bia ye de honchia enchia chenchire ye de etsom ana ye de mamo na asem bia baba beta bonten di asem e na aba ayi Nigerian ni omo Naija music director bi aba bonten na ni din ya ne chopenten waba bonten aba be kasa chese nani abre nani aso wodi sun enya asem ketua ebusia ebiom be free sameboa mo mienkotie Mr Chopenten na asem a wodi aba bonten mienkotie emresisia.
Hello guys, my name is Michael. I'm popularly known as Chopenten. Yeah, I'm from Nigeria. I'm a video director. Yeah, so I want you guys to help me, please. Ask Shatta Wale why he has refused to pay me my money. I have done a couple of videos for Shatta Wale. If I'm not mistaken, I've done over 13 videos for Shatta Wale. Even his hit tracks from Taking Over to Ayo. Even the video Beyonce saw before he featured him. I shot that video, Ayo. Recently, his manager, Sammy Flex, called me that Shatta Wale wants me to follow them to Tamale so that we could do some videos for 3 days. I said, okay, fine. I'll go. He gave me some money. I called him, even at the airport. I told him, bro, this money cannot even get me equipment for a day. What's up? He said, oh, let's just go. We'll settle it later. It's just 3 days. We got there after 3 days. He told me that Shatta Wale wants us to stay extra days so we can do more videos. Even when I had a meeting with Shatta Wale at Tamale, I told him, bro, what's up? Money for equipment too, for this extra days. He said, oh, don't worry. My manager will sort you out. I said, okay, fine. Bro, it's been a month plus now. It's been a month plus. I have been begging for that money. And they have been turning me like this. Now, within that same period, Shatta Wale also called me that he wants me to do a new video for him. Killer Jimmy, one of his tracks. I said, okay, fine. I'll do it. I finished the video I've given him. He has uploaded the video online. It's everywhere now. Bro, pay me my money. Because all this while I've been speaking with his manager. Pay me my money, and he's been doing me this way. I said, oh no, it seems something is wrong somewhere. I called Shatta Wale. How far? How far? We are back from Tamale. The equipment money I told you about, how far? I've not been paid. I just finished a new video for you. I have not been paid for it. My balance. He said, oh, his manager is always like that. He will give him money to pay for things, and the guy can't sacrifice anything for him. That him himself, Shatta Wale, will give me $15,000 to offset all my bills, and probably, if possible, prepare for some videos. I said, okay, fine. Till date, I have been begging for this money. The last time I called him, he was angry. That why am I asking him for his money? That he will go and call Utiji Omori and pay him $60,000 to do his video. Tell him I'm happy, you. Go and call my brother to come and do your video. Amazing. But I am begging you for my money. Less than $5,000. You don't want to pay me. See, one thing I know is that my superstars back home won't do this. Davido, Burna Boy, Ashake, Olamide, they won't do this. Because they appreciate people in the industry. They appreciate people in the industry. They know how to treat you. I know someday I'll work with them. By God's grace, I'll work with them. They will treat you very well. Now listen, let me take you back to 2018. While I was still schooling in Ghana, Shatta Wale did the same thing to me. He called me that he wants me to do a video for him. After shooting Ayo, Taking Over, and the rest. He called me that he wants me to do a track for him. Thunder Fire. That track is called Thunder Fire. I said, okay. I did my quotation and all, and I called him, bro, how far? I've done all my calculation. Getting crew, my red camera, equipment in general, plus my fee, will cost 30,000 cedis. When I say, oh, it's a small money, he will give me 50,000. He will give me a 50K plus even. He will buy me a car. Bro, I was happy. Oh. I said, okay, fine. Now, God having it in his way. My parents just sent me my school fee from Nigeria. I'm part of my rent. I gather everything. Oh. I gather everything. Rented equipment. Put my crew together. Put boys together. I shot this video for Wale. For Shatta Wale. I shot this video. Quick. I delivered. I gave him the video. At his place. Wale Afa, my money. He said, oh, I should go. He will give me my money. I said, he said, don't worry, I will give you your money. I left. Day one, I didn't see my money. Day two, I didn't see my money. The next day, I was calling Shatta Wale. He didn't pick my calls. The next day, I went to his house. Bro, they refused me from entering Shatta Wale's house. They refused me from seeing him. I said, Nami, I'm the one doing Wale's videos also. They said, oh, he's sleeping, he's not around, I should go and come back. I can see his car, I know he's around. Oh, bro, Wale do me, oh. Wale messed me up. Wale messed me up. I was outside for over 4 hours. And you know what? This was just during my exams. I schooled in Ghana, AIT. I was begging for this money. Wale refused. I was outside for hours. I left. I kept calling him. He didn't pick. If you think I'm lying, ask those his boys 10. Ask Blade. Ask Bone. Ask Stone. Ask the XM militant. Joint 77, ID7 and the rest. Ask them. See, it didn't go away for me then. I wasn't allowed to write exam in school. See, I was so scared of telling anybody. I was scared of telling anybody because if the news gets out and my parents hears it, they will be so disappointed in me. I was scared. I kept it to myself. I remember I told one good vlogger that is doing well, you know, the guy with the big head. I won't mention names. I remember I told him, he said, Wale did this. I said, yes. I told him. He said, wow. I take my school fee, I do video for you. My school fee, my rent, I do video for you. Because of you, I don't write exams. You refuse to pay me my money. Now you are doing the same thing. Now you're doing the same thing. You said you call DJ Omori to come and do your videos. I'm happy. I miss my brother. I'm happy. Call him. And my small, less than $5,000, I'm begging for it. My brothers back home will not do this. Davido, Burna Boy, Ashake, Olamide and the rest. They won't do this. They won't. They know how to carry the industry along. Especially if I have done such videos that actually pushed you out there. For them, they will carry me like a gold. They will carry me like gold. They will carry me like gold. But I did all this video for you. And yet you treat me. You need to see how Wale talk to me on set at times. I asked myself, sure? Bro, see, I know soon I'll work with my guys back home. I have worked with Ghana artists, plenty of them, amazing people. Even the smallest of them, amazing people. But I don't know what you want. See, nobody even hears me in Ghana. Nobody even know I even do videos for Wale, no? Because I just keep my calm. I keep myself calm. I just keep myself calm. I just do my thing. I don't look for trouble. Sometimes people think I'm a Ghanaian. I don't look for trouble. I don't even come over here to boast and talk about these things. But bro, like, you do me before where I come back and say, oh, maybe this guy has changed or something. Let me see if I can use the opportunity and do something with him. Probably he can just reflect back and be good to me. You want to do the same thing again? Probably human being. Oh, why? Why? Later you say Nigerian this, Nigerian that. I don't get. I don't get. You love how the Nigerian entertainment industry is going, yeah? It's moving, yeah? But you yourself, you don't want to do things that way. You don't want to do things that way. See, I don't just want trouble. Like, I don't want to sound disrespectful or anything, yeah? Come on.
Abusiafo here chopping thing. Na sem ana yakwa kotie abano. Na was say Shatta why na? Shatta why? Me I dey call your manager self. Your manager say you be asleep, you be travel. Shatta, I don't like what you they do to me. I need my money. Shatta, I need my money. And Oga is crying. So very chopping ten wo super wo su. Na no. Ana abusia Shatta nso ababonten. Se wa winu pa. Wano asama emfa ne ho kora wogeka. Na de efa ne ho. Wa babonten no